We all know of the natural wars that are going on today, don't we? Of Iran with the United States and also Russia in the Ukraine. But to me, that also highlights some of a reminder for us of the atmosphere of the war that we are in, or the conflict on many levels. And one of those key things that has come out is this incredible, fierce battle for the harvest. Some of us might say also we are aware of the battle over territories, over wealth, over power, with additional evidence to do with relational conflict that is happening on many and different levels. And of course, the clashing of the spiritual kingdoms between light and darkness, which is behind so many of these wars and conflicts.
The Gathering Place.